welcome to my new video. So I'm gonna show you guys. Look at this, guys. Look at this! We got 12 nails. So guys, I'm gonna put the one on. I have a bracelet and it's a bracelet and a hair tie. So, but it's in Vermont because we were sleeping Friday at Vermont. Friday and Saturday and Sunday we had many friends sleep. But look at this. Woo! Guys, I'm gonna show you when I'm done, but I'm more excited of this never. So I'm gonna show you guys when I'm done. Guys, I'm done. So like if you wanna see, subscribe if you don't wanna see. Oh wow, guys! Look at my nails. Oh god, they said pressure nails. No glue. Wait, I'm gonna see the sun if it looks pretty. Look how pretty it looks, guys. 2 diamonds. Yes, 2 diamonds. I'm sorry, Poop, because it's in the thing like this, guys, but it looks much better like this. So, guys, like, bye.